Hi, and welcome back to another Oculus Quest Build a Game in Unity with No Coding tutorial thingy, part 2. I think we might be able to do this video in about 5 minutes or less. So here we are in our tutorial scene. And so far all we've done is we've dropped in our OVR player controller and we dropped in our avatar. But in the previous episode, we couldn't see any hands or controllers or anything. So let's start with the controllers. The controllers are really straightforward. I'm not sure why I'm expanding that. In the OVR camera rig, we're going to expand the tracking space, left hand and right hand. And we have left controller anchor, right controller anchor. Oh, let's delete those. Don't want to give away the secret sauce. So down here, we just need our OVR controller prefab. Drop it on the left controller anchor. And let's just go ahead and set it for just the left touch controller because we know that it's going to be just for Quest. And on the right controller anchor, let's drop another OVR controller prefab in there. And let's just set it for right touch only. And then let's plug in our VR headset. All right, there we go. So we can see our controllers now. You can actually see how the joystick moves around on both sides. You can see the buttons being pressed, grip buttons, trigger buttons. So that's pretty cool. All right, but what if we wanted to see hands in place of the controllers? So let's take a look at that. And so instead of these controller prefabs, let's just delete them. We're going to go to Oculus Avatar Content Prefabs, Local Avatar, drop it into the tracking space, and that's it. And there we go, we got hands. Now notice there's finger tracking. So because the buttons are touch capacitive, it can tell when my thumb is on either of the A, B, X, Y buttons. Even my index finger on the trigger wiggles it around. The grip button doesn't seem to be touch capacitive, but if I hold grip down, I can do that. Yeah, big loser. I could do a fist by just bringing everything together like that. You can point by doing that. So it's pretty cool. Only thing is, we wouldn't want to use these hands in the implementation we're doing now because we have an avatar. We have hands that look like this type of hand right here. So in the next episode, what we're going to do is we're going to take a look at how we can use Unity's built-in animation rigging feature to use inverse kinematics and have basically full body motion with the NVR on this avatar. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you in part 3.